in the commission's findings of facts and conclusions of law in order that's posted on the web page for public view. They have committed libel, a false written statement about me, stating that I fired Roger Brown because I didn't like the way that he was handling my case. But really, what it was, is they put that in their findings of facts and conclusions of law to help Lynn Luker on his lien. Because Lynn Luker, when I hired him back on December 27th of 2010, Lynn Luker then filed a lien and then turned around and quit again on December 29th of 2010, though he was granted to withdraw through the Industrial Commission December 23rd of 2010. Now, libel, a written untrue statement about one. This is the true letter from the law firm of the Get Your Law Office, which Mr. Brown worked at. It states, James Clark, October 15th, 2008. Your workers' compensation claim. Not my complaint, but my claim. Dear Mr. Clark, thank you for contacting the Get Your Law Office, CHTD, regarding your workers' compensation claim. Unfortunately, I regret to inform you that our office is unable to represent you in this matter. As Paula mentioned to you this morning via telephone, my associate, Roger Brown, will be leaving our firm. As such, I will be taking over a portion of his current caseload and will not have the time necessary to dedicate to your case. You may wish to contact the Idaho State Bar Referral Service at 525 West Jefferson, Boise, Idaho. Thank you for your contacting the Get Your Law Office, and I wish you the best of luck in pursuing your claim. Finally, I have enclosed all of the original documents that you provided to our office. Sincerely, Get Your Law Office, Jerry J. Kikuchi. Now, so, Mr. Donohue and the commission as a whole, who also did their independently investigation. Again, this is a false written statement that has been published. For it's in the records for public to read. Again, libel, which slander is oral, libel is written. Again, laws need to be changed. For the Idaho Supreme Court pretty much said that I was also lying about these documents that I have in my possession. But I will be filing for a request for a new hearing because, again, it wasn't my claim, which is a different number than the complaint, because when you file a complaint against the state insurance fund, it has to be filed separately than your claim. And that's what I did. I filed two complaints. How was Carol Garland and Sandy Basket able to get me back to work without seeing a doctor in the manner that they did? On May 29th of 2008. I also filed another complaint in 2009. The Idaho State Insurance Fund received my health records without my authorization. Again, two separate complaints. But again, there is corruption somewhere there in Idaho, because again, here's the letter in regards to Roger Brown that's posted So it's libel. And I will be seeking damages for this libel because it has brought ridicule to me. It had, you know what? I don't know what to say, man. But I know that I'm going to be there because, you see, I was headed to his office the morning that Paula called because I had just found out that Mr. Holt had received my private health records. Yeah. So, again, a document that everybody's saying doesn't exist by the state insurance, by the Industrial Commission. If these documents exist. Well, here's one. I showed you another one. And I'll show you some more. Because, again, these are being put out on YouTube for my own safety in case anything happens to me. And somebody can carry this on. Like my kids. No? My kids? Again, I believe I deserve to have that stuff taken down and removed.